Jabab, first of all, thank you very much for speaking with us आणि देव बरें करूं.
Thank you.
फाटल्या कितल्याच दिसांनी आमी आयकलां की काब्राल आसा, काब्राल हिंगा काम करता नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. इट मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एन NGO, ट्रस्ट, सगळे. Is it that Cabral is planning for the next assembly elections or upcoming assembly polls?
Denzel, quite a tough question, but yes, groundwork is on. Basically, I started actually as a very good social worker, like many of my brothers in Goa, because it was the need of the hour. And I've been going around Nuve, I've been going around actually everywhere. You must have seen me in most places. Any activity which is supposed to do with all these projects and all, I was there. I was an activist. No, I can't say I'm a very active activist, but yes, I support everybody, whoever is striving for Goa today, to take care of it. Politics is a very different sector, and I will not comment much on it, but yes, today we are there. I will not say. I have to listen to the people. I'm going there, I'm asking them what is their needs, and in the future I would see whether is it possible to cater, and I'm trying my best.
Why कोणी म्हणटा केन्ना social life आसूं NGO, I can work with that.
Correct.
What makes you to also believe that both working together can do something good for your constituency?
Social work it's always been in my family. My mother, my father, my entire family, we do something or the other because we are a bit fortunately blessed. We work hard. My dad is to do it, my mom did a lot of social work, and it came from a very young beginning. So social work was always there. During the pandemic, what happened, I realized that people were scared, and the needy. They were very scared. No medicines, no food, nothing. So it started from that level, and from that level I realized asking people that what is more that they want, and they complained a lot. NRA Baba, NRA, Teshkurpada, Padelna, etc. So I started listening, and through my luck, I managed to do things for them in a small way, whatever way I could. And I'm still doing. The process is on basically.
We have seen you moving everywhere, most of the places. When you talk about environment, social concern, and all. What makes you attach so much towards social cause of the state?
Social cause of the state is, see, everything is there. From the government point of view or the other point of view, the farmers, or let it be a common man who is even looking for a job. So today we have people who are educated. We have people who want to do something in Goa. They don't need to travel abroad. They don't need to go to London or ship or whatever. Yes, there is an option. But when that option is already over here, that they can make a good livelihood over here, why? I'm listening to them, and I'm giving them options to do whatever they are. Socially, activism is needed. It's a need of the hour today. Goa is in a very bad state. You must be knowing yoga all around, but why not everybody? Why a few people?
Why not you also?
Why not me?
And you look young in that. Okay, what makes you to think about moving around in Nuven constituency? 40 constituencies, you choose Nuven.
Yeah.
Tough politicians.
Tough, yeah, because they've been there for a long time. That's why they're tough. And,
Oldies, you mean to say?
No comments. But Nuven constituency, of course. I've been there last ZP elections. I've been there roaming around. I've been, people come many a times. They promise things which are not done, not followed up. I've seen this happening for a long time. And that is why let's start. आमचे गोंयकार म्हणटा तेशको पयले तुजे आंगवण क्लीन कर आनी मागीर दुसरे आंगवण क्लीन कर तेशको. So this is my territory.
So Jose Cabral Nuven constituency in फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक लडटलो.
I cannot comment, but as I say, the process is on. I will wait for my people to respond to me. If they push me, if they want me, they will come to me, sir. And yes, certainly I will.
प्रोसेस इज ऑन म्हणटा तेन्ना तुका पळयला आमी सोत्र्यो दिता आसतना तुजे लोक घराघरांनी मेवता सो वॉट इज दीस प्रोसेस लोकांचे फीडबॅक घेवपाचे वेदर आय शूड कॉन्टेस्ट ऑर नॉट वॉट इट इज
फीडबॅक घेवपाचें म्हणजे एक होता बायल आहा इतली हांव पासत जाता मोटोर घेवन गेले AC घाल आनी ती होता बायल आपणा गेली डेली ब्रेड वॉट एवर शी इज डुईंग शी इज planting those vegetables or fruits and then she's selling on the road in the sun. How can you see this? How can you? So, and that too in my own village. How can I see this? I cannot see this. So when I went over there, my आगे होता umbrella कोण हाडलो बाबा आमळे ओके हांव हाडली दोग जाणां दिलोली 5 जाय येयली 5 जाणां दिलो 100 जाय येयली.
So what has been the response of people when you meet them, especially when I talk about a constituency in लोक कितें सांगता तुका बाबा तुजे असले भुरगे मनीस जाय झगडपाक लडपाक फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक बा म्हणून कितें
See, certainly the people all over Goa and everywhere I go, and I have my friends around in politics also. They've been telling basically that new faces are required. We need a change in governance, and we need strong people to voice out as elected members for them or to represent them wherever. We need their voices to be voiced out in front wherever it is required and justice to be done. If they have a problem, it should be voiced out. If they have a issue, it should be voiced out. If they need employment, it should be voiced out. If they need anything else which would make their lives better, I personally say this, make their lives better.
No, but are you are just moving, making us move around. Are you interested to contest or not? Just straightforward answer.
See, certainly.
Would you contest?
Certainly.
Party magir. First your plans has to be thinking.
Party Magir. Now, I will tell you one thing straight.
Moti nasa, Mona nasa, Kauza nasa.
See, to contest, it's a 30,000 population in Nuvai constituency. For 50,000, 52% voting, lot of parties, a lot of people are coming, going, lot of new faces are coming and going, lot of propaganda is happening. People who were sleeping for 4 years have got up, they are also trying to do. And yes, it is a challenging job, and I think so there are a few points in my agenda which are left to complete. You will come to know certainly within
but
the
you have
next
seen-
15 days. I will give you a very straight answer on this. I will try to beat around the bush.
Yeah.
If people see me fit, I am ready. I am ready.
What do you have to say about the present scenario as far as politics is concerned in Nuvai constituency?
Present scenario, it's a joke. In one word, people have been deceived. What they voted for has become something else. They don't know where to make the call. They don't know whom to follow. They don't know whom to listen to. It's like saying they are not trusting anybody anymore. And it's all goes way past. And it's now even in a common man who is really wanting to do something doesn't have an answer to give them. So all that I can right now do, if giving your answer, is prove intellectually by getting more and more things, lined up for them.
What are the things that you would like to see or to do for the your constituency? You must have some plans.
Yeah. I have certainly, in the sense, see, when it comes to that social life, basically I have been all around for the last 1 year. I've been going around, observing, asking people questions. And for myself, my own things. I've traveled most places, around India, and abroad and all. And when it comes to comparing, I can know the distance. I know the difference basically. Industry, when it comes to the industry, the entire labor which is from outside I don't mind people coming working over there, as we also go and work in other places. But there is no proper housing, no sanitation, the poor housing levels. They come and live in the villages, garbage has increased, water lines have gone bad, natural water resources have gone bad, garbage has been dumped. Basically there is no line up, basically what I call it, as how things have to be done. If we were talking for the industry point, if every village, today there are a few villages, my village itself is catering to about 4,000 laborers who are working in the industry, which are non-human and who have come for a livelihood. Fine, very good. But how do we cater to them? So these thoughts have to be given before doing such big major projects. Today we are talking about our natural resources, we are talking about our fields, we are talking about employment basically. Our children themselves are not getting jobs over there. Today we are talking about Goa Miles. There is taxi unions which are there. There is livelihood of taxis which is there. Goa Miles is coming and going to come down and take their livelihood. We are talking about hotels. Hotels, there is no employment, there is nothing over there. CRZ violations are being done, carried out. So much of things are there. There is nothing which is, up to the mark. And who has to take care of this? We have to take care of this ourselves. We have to voice out for it.
Somebody always talks first about these things and then suddenly एक part politician झाला म्हणतो दुसरा हिस्सा.
That is what I told you before. People, it has happened to people. So now, right now, to actually tell them the truth is walk the talk, and that is what I do. I'm walking the talk. I'm not talking much. I'm walking. And in the sense, if anybody comes to me or people tell me an issue, I walk the talk. I don't even tell them what is the thing. I say no problem. We'll see what we can do. And we do it, and then we say this is what.
Which are the parties you are looking after if you want to contest?
Very difficult question right now because Congress was the leading part, a few years back.
Yeah.
But then now, recently, no development before, previously also, now also, and then defecting, and again, AAP is there. There are other movements of other things happening, which is pointless basically. There are dabbas being floated around, and people are confused where to go. There is only I'm good friends with Goenka Awaz. They have also, in a sense, they have registered their party and they are willing to go in for elections. I guess they are genuine people. People are slightly trying to believe in them, but at the same time, it's a very big confusion which is there right now.
So you are yourself confused.
I am confused by myself, but I do sometimes. They say, Baba. Tu je soal kota election over pa se na ge mai so ya maji but which party rato lo Congress apu ani kite I mai decide karna tu samante kore karna and I laugh about it.
Which are the parties options open for you? You still don't want to open your cards?
Yeah, no, nothing like that. Not opening my cards. It is nobody likes BJP today or any other communal force which is there. It's very simple.
So that means BJP ruled out.
Okay. So what I would other look at, there is Congress is there, there is AAP is there. And always, because Congress has always been there. Basically.
Close to your heart.
I've been, of course. I've done.
So first preference Congress.
Would be.
Would be.
Both we could say.
What do you have to say about we have since elections are coming closer, we have seen old people, old leaders coming in the fray now. Ata ashe aykala ki Alex Sikerui in the fray asa. It may be on Congress. Baba Shantor already asa. To hui atola te habon na. It depends on the Supreme Court issue, disqualification petition issue. Ani poilinche minister jalle poite asa. So 4-5 jण degun jale jalar. You feel that you have a chance to get that Congress ticket or something. Oh, independent is the best option.
I think Alex Sikerui had retired. I feel so. I've seen it somewhere. Babashan, that is his call, what he's going to join next, where he's going to jump. But anybody else, there are some youngsters also which are there in the line. let's see. We'll wait. No? There is, I think so. A lot of parties are going to decide very soon what it's going to be. But at the moment, I don't think so. Any party has decided for anybody yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Uh,
Because otherwise they would be flagging out their banners and moving around. So it's just the word of mouth which is going around here and there. You know how politics is basically. They will never expose themselves completely. So I think so it is time for even any other party to completely come out with their candidates basically so that they can work in the constituency properly and people start living properly. There is time given. There is about good span of time given, and as to the new changes, people want young faces, they want the youth, they want proper responsible individuals.
now, what are the things that you go and tell when you meet your voters and constituency voters, saying that believe in me because I लोक तर वाजेला हो येता तो उडकी मारता हो येता थिंगा वयता लोकांक देखून सांगपाक when you talk about a certain party,
Yeah.
I don't want to name it, but how would you get them convinced saying that हांव तेसो न्हू?
जाता एवरीबडी सगळे जाताय आनी नाय पयलीं कितें बरें काम करया
मागे उडकी मारया.
माझी उडकी हुई मारपाची.
No.
I am not connected anywhere to
Okay.
jump. I am not connected anywhere to jump. But these are the questions. Yes, you are very true and you are very right when you ask me such questions. There are things, but when I go there, we first look at the financial situations of persons. Why they landed into that? It goes to employment. It goes to a lot of other things. Let's first try to feed the needy. Let's cater to the needy first. Politics is another part only, but today my constituents are very important to me from a different point of view. Because I know that I have not much, but I have the capabilities and the capacity to cater to them right now.
So there will be the info elections. We will contest whether independent or anything.
Could be.
Could be, would be.
No, not would be. This is could be. Could be. But
Because 6 months. Sir, 6 months, 6 to 7, 8 months.
Yeah, I
you
think
need
so.
to, because people, you must be making people aware. So तू थोड्यांक तू सांगता आसतलो. So,
ना म्हाका थोडें जाता तूं मागीर मरे बरोबर करया म्हणटा. It's very simple. See, I am a common man. And I commonly, if you go to around in the constituency, they say, Raju, कोणा बरें बसतलो, कोणाक कितें उलयतलो, खंयी बसतलो, खंयी कितें खातलो, because I have been like that all my life. And there is, so I like to be a common. तें जाताय मुगो कडेन, हांव सांगता तेंका, yes रे, करया मरे, तूं मागीर मरे बरोबर.
so final decision करपाक कितलो टाइम लागतलो?
We should take about, I don't know, see, there is observers coming from Delhi, they say, from here, from there.
Observers of the party. ना?
होय रे, ते भोंवता. And some people have called me actually. Not lying to you. Some people have called me. I've told them, when you all decide, I don't want to join any party in the sense being a members or something like that. Because my activities are on, I will do that. And then I don't want to be pinned and oh, he's doing some social work because he's from Congress, because he's from Ram, because he's from place. I don't want to do that. I want to do social work for my own satisfaction.
So would it be only Nube or you are looking out for other constituencies?
We do other places also.
No, for options as far as contest.
No. Why would I not?
No, I'm just asking.
No, I certainly, in the sense I have friends outside also, but I think so we should, I'm more connected to villages around my Nagwa, Verna, Lotoli, Deroli. Yeah. I've got my relatives living in Majodda, Uttod, Netalbati. I've got some relatives in Lotoli also, in Verna. So, I think so it is, I've been always in my childhood, I've been in these places very much.
And you love Nube constituency more than
Nuvei
anybody else.
constituency now, I have started calling it Nuvei constituency. First it was, I am just from Nagawa. Now it is Nuvei constituency because I cater to everybody. Now we have set up offices because of my Samajata Adar which is going on, the social purpose. What we did is, in Nagawa we started one office. And the response was such that people started coming from Lotoli. People started coming from Verna. So Nagawa, Verna we have attached as one. And Lotoli we said, okay, we can. So, and there was a lot of youth, graduates, girls, boys who really wanted to do something and they were sitting at home. So we gave them your, a little bit benefits of, pocket money and such. And now they are doing, we have a team of about more than 20 people who are going door to door doing things.
So, since you have opened up your plans and everything, what are the 3 things that you would love to tell your constituency? 3 हो bro. कितें सांगूंक सोदतलो when you talk about your political ambition and all? Through
I would not go on the political ambition part of it. Right now, I love Goa, you all love Goa, and please make sure everybody loves Goa.
as far as your constituency is concerned.
As part of my constituency, let's unite. Let's unite. Unity is very important. म्हाका एकवट म्हणला तो सारको. It's always been my thing in life. I love having a lot of friends. I love having a lot of people known. Ekvot. Well, Ekvot is the biggest power that you can have, and we can do miracles when there is unity.
Jabab, thank you. Dev Bare karo.
Thank you
and
so
hope
much.
to see you again.
Yes, very soon.